friends, this is Cyclopean Inc. and I am here with a topic which is how to create or make a subtitle for any video. And let's just see. I'm taking you to my movies folder, and let's find out what a subtitle really is. I'm just going to delete it. So I'm just opening this movie to show you what a subtitle is. And as you can see, these sentences are coming one by one automatically, and these are the subtitles. So many of you can think that a subtitle is one type of video, but no, a subtitle is not a video, but a subtitle is programming, a very simple programming which you can create in your own computer or PC without any elements. So let's just go ahead and find out a video which do not have a subtitle. So I have this video here which don't have any subtitle. So
and nurture them for a few months.
as you can see, the guy is talking, but there is no subtitle here.
After the accident in the park, Harlequin and Clarissa wiped out our facility on site B.
There is no subtitle, so we are just going to create a subtitle for this video. So let's just get off of it, and you need to just open up your notepad or text document, and we are just going to write our program in here. So our first subtitle, so give the starting time here. This is the hour, this is the minute, and the second will be 15, and give a comma and write a 3-digit number. I don't really know what this 3-digit number is all about, but it must be here to run the subtitle. And give a space, then give to minus, and give greater than, give a space, and then type the ending time. Sorry, it will be ending at 20. So our subtitle duration will be 5 seconds. I will give it to a 3-digit number also. Then write our very first subtitle here. Let's say it will be welcome to Cyclopean Inc. And the second subtitle will be this is the subtitle. Sorry. And we are done with this, so let's create another subtitle, and the second subtitle will be starting from let's say it will be starting from 22 seconds, and then just write like previous line. Sorry, let's say it will end on 27 seconds, and its duration will be 5 seconds also. Give a comma and 3-digit number, and let's say this subtitle will be this is awesome. So our subtitle is ready, and now we are just one step back from adding subtitle. So let's just save this file, and you just need to click on save as, and then type uh, you just need to minimize it for once. You need to go to properties of the video you want to give the subtitle for, then copy the name, and you just need to paste it here in the file's name, then give a full stop and type HRT, and that stands for a programming language, and save as type, select to all files, and then you need to click on save, and your file is saved. So now let's run this video, and this is how you can add subtitle to video. But before that we end our video. As you can see, the subtitle is here, visible here, and our second subtitle is also here. There is a problem here, that's why the second subtitle disappeared, but it will be present in the next time. And the first subtitle is here, welcome to Cyclopean. This is the subtitle, and this is the second subtitle, which was this is awesome. So that's how you can just create or make a subtitle for your video. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe our channel, and I will be seeing you in my next video. Until then, thank you, and I will be seeing you in my next video.